rose slightly last week, and predictions are that rates could fall to 6.7% by the end of 2024. It's Friday, November 3rd, 2023, and this is your weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Mortgage lenders have responded to the rate challenge, bringing in options to help ease the rate increase. Rate buydowns and rate rollbacks are alternatives to buyers offering below list price and losing out. Wins for both buyers and sellers. Buyers get a home at a rate that allows them to purchase and refinance later when rates go down without additional fees. Sellers get to sell without taking a hit to the sales price. Meanwhile, Annapolis is enjoying buyer shopping activity, multiple offers with limited inventory, and selling at or higher than list price in most areas. Annapolis inventory fell again this week to 140 properties. 18 homes are coming soon to the market. 18 homes hit the market over the past week. 16 went under contract since last week. 15 moved to pending. 27 homes sold at 101% and in 5 days. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was a condo unit in downtown Annapolis for $1,625,000. Rentals in Annapolis rose to 47 for rent at a median $2,800 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, November 3rd, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week.